you hear the words chalk paint, and I bet you think of the kind of paint where you can use chalk to write on it after it dries. Well, today we have a different type of chalk finish, and Karen Edenfield has brushed up on its uses and effects in order to color our world with creativity. Karen is an inspiration specialist with Jo-Ann Fabric and Craft Stores. So we welcome you back today.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so if this is chalk finish, isn't the kind of where you paint a chalkboard and you write on it, so what are we talking about?
Well, it's an acrylic paint actually, and it gives an ultra flat matte finish. So it's almost chalk looking.
Yeah,
right?
it's very smooth.
But it's not. It doesn't have any residual effect on you.
Okay.
And it comes in jars, and as I say, it's an acrylic paint. It will easily adhere to different things. This is a metal tin, so it would go on metal and some wood. And we're going to do it today, plaster or anything. It's often used for a shabby chic look for the shabby chic furniture or lamp bases.
Can it go on glass?
It can, definitely, yes.
All right, so you're going to show us how it works on wood, right?
Right.
All right, so what do we have to do here?
Well, actually, I'm going to make you do the work.
Oh, boy.
But on wood, what you would want to do is just start with any finish. If it has paint on it or anything, that's just fine. Doesn't need to be stripped or sanded. You can paint right over it. You might want to use a window cleaner to just clean off the little bit of dirt and dust on it. So it's a great finish, a great thing to put over.
So you wanted me to paint blue over the green,
Go ahead.
Right?
And it's good for those thrift shop treasures you find. You could just put paint on and make it look new.
It goes on very smoothly.
It does. It's great. It's great finish. Now, what we're doing is putting a second coat on. As we've done on the two letters off to our side here, we put a layer of green down first and then blue on top, and then we use a little sandpaper on the edges, so it gives a distressed look. And areas that would probably naturally get worn. So the green
kind of shows through the blue.
Yes, a little bit. And then on the other one, the other A, the green one, actually has blue underneath with a little bit of showing through. And in this case, I chose to use 3 colors, so you could just pile it up, and it looks like it's been painted many times.
Worn and painted and worn,
exactly.
even if it's brand new.
Right, and it was. So it makes a nice thing. And then you can finish it with a wax finish, and it's just a clear wax. The wax then takes away a bit of the chalky look, so it makes it a little smoother look, but it's a nice protective finish, and it gives a nice soft, smooth feel.
Can these be then used outside?
They could, but they would probably need a little more protection than just the acrylic. So but it would be great on a porch, something that's covered. It would not be a problem. If it's everyday wear and tear on the weather, especially cold weather, I'm not sure what it would do.
We've had way too much of this year.
Right, well, we're done.
So we can distress it, you can leave it as it is, you can just, almost any surface. It's a fantastic craft project, it looks here, and can really add something to your house and pop a color someplace.
That's right, and it's such a nice finish. It's really quite a trend right now, so it's a nice thing to do, and so easy. And the cleanup, just wash it with soap and water. It's an acrylic paint. Once it's dry, though, it's permanent, so if you get it on your hands, your clothes, wash it quickly.
Right. Yeah. Okay, you'll have to take care of my brush here for me.
I will.
All right. Do you need a new look for an old item or a stylish finish for a recent find? Brush on chalk finish and you'll soon be brushing off compliments. My thanks to Karen Edenfield for introducing us to this new artistry. Thank you.
For more great craft ideas, call Jo-Ann Fabric and Craft Stores at 1-888-739-4120 or click to www.joann.com. Next, Mom's the Word.